So in this video we will do a couple of practice problems. So the first practice problem is to find the values of a, b, c and d such that 210 and 216 are the solutions of the system, and the system is this. So this is the system. So these 2 points are the solutions of these two equations. Okay, so we are given that this is the solution and this is the solution. So we will do one by one. So I will write, since 210 is the solution of the system, so I will replace this 2 by x. Okay, so I will replace x by 2 and I will replace y by 1 and I will replace z by 0 because this is x, this is y, this is z. Okay, this is the system, and in this system we have to replace x by 2, y by 1, z by 0 here and here in both equations. So I have replaced x by 2, y by 1 and z by 0 in both equations. Okay, let's check what will happen then. Let's solve them one by one. Here I will get 8 plus a plus 0 is equal to 0. That means 8 plus a is 0. And if I take this 8 to this side, I will get 8. A is equal to negative 8. So I have found the value of a. And from here, I will get 2 times c minus this is 2 plus this is 0. So I will write this is equal to 6. If I take this 2 here, I will get 2 times c is equal to 6 plus 2, which is 8. Now I have to divide both sides by 2. So if I divide both sides by 2 here and here, this 2 will be cancelled. What will I get? C is equal to 8 by 2 is 4. Okay, so I have got the values of A and C. Now you can check, we had 2 points, this one and this one. I used the first point. I used this first point and I have found the values of A and C. Okay, now I will use the second point. Second point is 216. Okay, so I will write, since 216 is also the solution of the system, so we will replace again x by 2, y by 1 and z by 6. Okay, here is the system. What I have to do, I have to replace x by 2, y by 1 and this z by 6. Okay, I have replaced it. Now we can solve them one by one. Okay, so this equation, in this equation we can write 4 2 times 8 plus a plus 6b is 0. And this equation can be written as 2 times c minus 2 plus 6d is 6. Okay, since we have the value of a and the value of c. The value of a is -8, the value of c is 4. So I will write -8 plus 6b, and the value of c is 4. I have already found. So 2 times 4 minus 2 plus 6d is 6. From here I get this equation. From here I get this equation. Now you can check 8 and -8 are cancelled. I got 6b is 0. If I divide both sides by 6, I will get b is equal to 0, because 0 by 6 is 0. So there is no change. Okay, this is 8 minus 2 plus 6d is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6 plus 6d is 6. Now I can take this 6 here. It will be 6d is 6 minus 6, which is 0. If I divide both sides by 6, I will get d is equal to 0. So the values of a, b, c, d are found. So now in the next problem we have a special system analysis, and we are given x1 plus x2 is a1, x2 plus x3 is a2, x3 plus x4 is a3, and x4 plus x1 is a4. We have to solve it. Okay, you can check. If I add equation number 1 and equation number 3, on the left hand side I will get x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. And similarly, if I will add these two equations, again on the left hand side I will get x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. So I will use this trick. So what will I do? I will add equation number 1 and equation number 3. Okay, this and this. So if I add equation number 1 and 3, I will get x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to a1 plus a3, because this is a1 and this is a3. Okay, now I will add equation number 2 and equation number 4. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 4. So if I add equation number 2 and 4, I will get again x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to a2 plus a4. Okay, now if I compare this equation and this equation, you can check the left hand side for both equations are same. You can check their left hand sides are same. So if we compare, this is equation number A, this is equation number B. If we compare A and B, the left hand sides are same. So the rule is, if the left hand sides are same, then the right hand sides must be same. So this means the right hand side of this and the right hand side of equation number B must be the same. What does that mean? That means the right hand side of equation number A must be equal to the right hand side of equation number B. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, because A, B, C, A1, A2, A3 and A4 are not given, so we cannot find their value, but still we can find the relation between them, and this is the relation between them. Okay, so these are the couple of examples in which we solve the system of linear equations in just a simple way. In the next video, we will talk about the elementary row operations, which is the main backbone of the system of linear equations. And we will then solve some system of equations by the elementary row operations.